Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's class, from mathematics subject, basic geometric ideas topic we are going to continue. So in our previous class, already we have solved some questions children. Let's continue the questions. So 45th question, if the diameter of a circle is 14 centimeter, then what is its circumference? Circumference is also called as perimeter. Circumference is also called as perimeter. So, what is the circumference or perimeter? So, diameter they have given 14 centimeter. So, the formula for perimeter is 2 pi r, in which 2 into pi stands for 22 by 7 into r value they have given 14. We can substitute values. 7 2 times 14. 7 2 times 14. Sorry, here diameter they have given d value 14 centimeter. Then radius will be half of the diameter d by 2, which is equal to 7 centimeter. So here not 14 children. So p equal to 2 into pi, 22 by 7 into r value 7. 7 gets cancelled. 2 into 22, 44 centimeter is the correct answer. Next one. To define an arc, we need at least how many points? So the arc always be represented with the help of 3 points. Arc always be represented with the help of 3 points. So where AB are the end points, C point is in between, in somewhere in between A and B. So we need 3 points to define an arc. Arc symbol is like this, cap symbol, arc symbol. So which of the following symbols is used to represent arc? Like this, C option, arc symbol, cap symbol. So what are the instruments used to draw a circle? For drawing a circle, we need a scale. We need a scale for measuring the radius. After that, with the help of compass, we can draw a round. We can draw a circle. So a scale and compass. A scale and compass, C option. If the radius of circle is increased by 3 times, then by how many times does diameter will increase? We know that diameter equal to r. We know that diameter equal to r. If the radius is increased by 3 times, so sorry, we know that diameter equals to 2r. If radius increased by 3 times, means d equal to 2r, new diameter equal to 2 into radius has been increased by 3 times, 3r. So that is equal to 2 into 3, 6r. So new diameter equal to 6r. 6 times it will increase. How many angles are formed between any two consecutive rays in the given figure? So how many angles are formed between any two consecutive rays in the given figure? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many angles children? 4. 4 angles are formed here. So in the figure given, AB perpendicular to L, CD also perpendicular to L. So then AB will be parallel to CD. AB will be parallel to CD. AB will be parallel to CD. So if AB length 2.3 centimeter, because in the same way we have CD also. So CD length also will be 2.3 centimeter. So the time is 3 o'clock. What is the angle between two hands of the clock? So time is 3 o'clock, means minutes hand will be at 12, hours hand will be at 3. So they are not considering seconds hand, minutes hand, hours hand. The time is 3 o'clock. At this time, what will be the angle between the hands? 90 degrees. So they are at right angle to each other. 90 degrees. Next slide. So what is the region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc on one side and a pair of radii on the other two sides called? So part of circle enclosed by arc one side and other two sides radii. So this is one radii, this is one radii, this is the arc. What is this part? This part is called as a sector. Sector is a part which is enclosed by arc and radii. Arc and radii. One minute, children. Next slide. The figure given shows a pizza. The shaded part shows the part of pizza eaten. So if this is half part, so the shaded part eaten is less than half part. So it is a minor segment. So this is less than, because this total is half part. Out of half part, only this part is eaten. Still this part is remaining, this part is remaining. So it's a minor segment, the pizza eaten. So unshaded part belongs to, if eaten part belongs to minor segment, so then this part including this part will be known as major segment. D option. So how many squares are there in the following figure? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 individual squares. If we take two boxes, so 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4 will come, and again if you take plus 4 means 20. Already we have 20. Already we have 20 here. If you take this part 21, this part 22, this part 23, this part 24, whole part 25. So altogether we will be having 25 square children. Next, which of the following lines is perpendicular to line AB? So like this is AB, perpendicular line. This is perpendicular line. If we draw like this is perpendicular line. Both are right angles to each other. So third line, represented by Roman number 3, it will be perpendicular to AB. Next one, how many straight lines are there in the given figure? So you have to count the straight lines here. Let's start from here. First part, first straight line, second straight line, third straight line, fourth straight line, fifth straight line, sixth straight line, 7th straight line, 8th straight line, 9th straight line. So we have 9 straight lines, children. So how many triangles are there in the figure? Triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Individually 9. Individually 9, children. 9. After 9, we can count. Total. We can count the bigger one. We can count the bigger one, which is 10. We can count the bigger one, which is 10. So next, after 10, if you take this one, children, if you take this one, this will be a triangle, this will be a triangle. In the same manner, if you take this one, this will be a triangle, this will be a triangle. If you take this one, this will be a triangle. So 10 plus 3, 13. So altogether we can have 13 triangles. Next, children. So what is the number of rectangles in the given figure? Number of rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, children. Individual 5. After 5, they are asking about rectangles. This will be a rectangle. 6. This will be a rectangle. 7. 7. And this whole will be a rectangle. 8. Whole will be a rectangle. 8. So children, we have altogether 8 rectangles. Anything else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Individual 5 completed. After that, this part. 6. This part. 7. Total part 8. Total part 8. So 8 rectangles, children. Next, the circle given has 4 labeled parts. Which part of the circle does U represent? This is U, children. This is U. Joining any 2 points on the circle is called as a chord. This is also joining any 2 points on circle, but passing through center, it will be diameter. T will be diameter. R will be radius. S will be curved part, arc. So here U will be chord. Next, double 2 questions. The surface of football is, football shape is curved surface. Football curved. Next. So it's a repeated question, children. Already we have discussed this question in level 1. This is also a repeated question. Next, 64. A cuboidal box has dash edges representing the portion of lines. Already we have learned this, 12 edges. Each equal part of a circle is called. If circle is there, if we draw diameter, it will intersect into 2 equal parts. Each part will be called as a semicircle. So a set of points which extend infinitely in both directions. Infinitely in both directions can extend, it means it's a part of line. The angle between 2 diagonals of a rhombus. The angle between two diagonals. The angle between 2 diagonals of a rhombus. In rhombus, diagonals perpendicularly bisect each other. Rhombus means it's a structure like kite. It's a structure like kite whose all sides are equal. All sides are equal. If you draw diagonals to rhombus, they will perpendicular bisect. They will intersect perpendicularly. So 90 degrees. Number of arcs made by a card on a circle. Suppose if circle is there, if you draw a card, draw a card, this part will be minor arc, this part will be minor arc, and this part will be, the above part will be major arc. Minor arc, major arc. So angle inscribed in a major segment. The above part is major segment. The angle inscribed means to any point from this card endpoints. If we draw lines, here angle is formed. This angle will be acute. In major segment, angle will be acute, less than 90 degrees. Angle inscribed in a semicircle. Suppose in semicircle, if we draw one angle at any point, it will be equal to 90 degrees, which is right angle. Pair of parallel lines. Already the question came, children, railway track. Cubital box has how many corner points? Cuboid means square shaped box. So A, B, C, D. Corners on the floor. Corners on the floor. E, F, G, H. Another 4 corners. So like that it will be having. So suppose if this is a roof, if this is a floor, if this is a roof, E, A, B, F. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners on the roof. Total it will be having 8 corners. The basic elements of triangle are 3 vertices, 3 sides, 3 angles. So answer all of these. Radius increased by 3 times, diameter increased by 6 times. Repeated question. Set of points which is a part of line with 2 endpoints. Part of line with 2 endpoints. This part of line is called line segment. Number of line segments possible with 3 collinear points. Collinear means lying on the same line. Through them only one line is possible. In the given figure, point P is called. Yesterday we got this question. All lines are passing through same point. They are called concurrent lines, and the point is called point of concurrence. In the given figure, lines L, M, N are called. All are passing through same point O. So they are called concurrent lines. If a circle is divided into 2 equal parts, each part is called as a semicircle. Number of points used to draw a rectangle. Rectangle can be drawn with the help of 4 points. 3 or more lines are dash if they pass through common point. Parallel, collinear, intersecting, all of these. So strike off this children. Instead of this, we should have option here, concurrent lines. So 3 or more lines are dash if they pass through common point. So answer is concurrent lines. So from the figure, list the points which are in the interior of angle P. This part, interior part. In this part, we have point Z, point S. So answer ZS. Point M, point T are on the boundary. Point N and point R in the exterior. So how many triangles are there in the diagram given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the middle we have 6 triangles. If you consider this, only this part, if you consider this part, 7th triangle, or if you consider this part, eighth triangle, or you can consider this part, ninth triangle. So 9 triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts completed. 6 parts after, we can consider this 7. We can consider this 8. We can consider this 9 triangles, but there is no option 9. Is there any other triangle possible? 9 triangles. This one, this one, this one, so this one 7. Let's change the colors. This one 8. This one 9. 9 only we are getting. Okay, children, 9 triangles we are getting here. So, okay, children, 9 is the answer. So I think there is no other triangle, only 9 are visible here. Okay, children, if it is wrong, we will cross check once and we will update you, children. Next. So a pair of lines which do not intersect at any point. They do not intersect means they are called parallel lines. So number of angles formed in the figure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 angles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So change this option as the option as 5 angles, children. So answer is 5 angles. Measure of angle A in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, sum of 3 angles 180. Angle A we don't know. Let it be x plus 120 plus 40 equal to 180. So then x equal to 180 120, 140, 160. It will go right hand side minus 160, which is equal to 20 degrees. So if 18 centimeter is the diameter of circle, then its radius. Radius is half of the diameter. So 18 by 2, 9 centimeter. B option, 9 centimeter. Okay, children. So that's all for today's children. All questions we have completed. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. So you can also visit our website, children, www.aimstoday.in, for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, do-it-yourself activities, English classes, coding classes. Thank you, children. Have a good day.